My bike just blew up, bro. My mama, look. I'm
О, старшие братья стоят. Миш, дальше ты едешь сам. Там тормоз сам за... А, подожди. Все, давай, брат. Если тебя прав не лишат на конкурсе, увидимся. Я в шоке. Ой, на бордюр залетела машина.
Я бегал на джим.
Well, mate! Close! Close!
Alright, I can see that.
Yeah, so why are you coming this way? Go that way or that way?
I didn't see them cones with the fucking cars here. Don't get lippy.
Mate! Traffic!
I didn't see them cones,
way.
so I fucking went to come here. Now I'm gonna
So
turn
go,
around.
mate!
So
That
shut
way! Go!
fuck up. Now I'm gonna sit here and wait here.
That's fine, so you'll get the police.
Hitler, please. What?
Yes, PJ.
Sorry?
Can I help you?
No, you're good.
Right, move.
But like I said to earlier, you weren't here when you heard the full story, so don't come over.
I need you to move, please.
Mate, make me famous.
That's the only way you'll get away with. Oh, police! Hopefully he doesn't look behind him. I don't think he did. Okay, let's just go over here. Woo! And it's tight 90-degree bend. Oh, it's just going down there. That way. Oh, okay, yeah. There they are. They saw me. Hello. What are you doing? Yeah, my plate fell off yesterday and I'm just looking for it because I think it fell off in this area.
Oh, do you live around here? Oh, I'm glad you stopped.
Yeah, I thought you might have seen me, but I had to go have a look.
And I say that because I was looking to jump out and grab you at some point. Because
Oh, really?
I figured you were just going to, because we get a lot of people with
Yeah.
on their bikes.
What's your number plate meant to be? How long you had the bike?
I level with you already. I mean, because you stopped, you've been quite honest about it. I'm not looking to give you a ticket for the bike.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I know I shouldn't really be riding at all with that one, but...
So when did it fall off yesterday, you said?
I think it was yesterday evening.
That's a pain then, isn't it? So it's like,
It really is, because it was dodgy before anyway, because I just had it zip tied on, because I've had it falling off so much, and like, the bracket that I had, I crashed and it broke as well.
Oh, right.
So I think I've been through about 4 number plates. It's just like, what?
Yeah. It's
just...
difficult when they're just flapping around, aren't they?
Yeah,
It's just,
exactly.
how long have you had the bike anyway? A while?
Yeah, since March last year, so...
I know next to nothing
Yeah.
about bikes. What's the engine size on it?
125.
Okay, well that's, yeah.
Yeah.
If I do a wheelie, are you guys gonna pull me over? What? If I do a wheelie, are you gonna pull me over? Go ahead, do it. Go ahead? Alright.
Boy ain't no way, boy. Boy ain't no way, boy.
I'm on foot, bro. My bike just blew up, bro. My mama, look. I'm through, bro. I'm through, bro. I'm through, bro. I'm through. I'm over it, y'all. Yes, bro. I'm right here, bro. I'm over it, bro.
What's up?
Hey, how you doing?
So why'd you stop? I even told you, if you don't run, I'm not gonna do shit to you.
I wasn't running out. My main goal was to get off the highway.
Oh man, you got off because I guess you ran out of gas or something,
No,
and then
I
you
promise
started
I
running
didn't
for
run out
what?
of gas. Look, let me call y'all later. Look, to tell you the truth, I was.
You know, you should, if you're so scared, why the fuck are you out here?
My whole reason was to get off the highway.
Really? Why'd you get on it?
And you know how many calls we have gotten for you guys?
No, sir. Yeah, that was my main reason to get off the highway.
You have your license with you?
Say that again?
You have your license with you, your ID?
Oh, not on me, honestly.
Your fault. You want to take it?
No, I'm taking your bike.
Say that again?
I'm taking your bike. You're not getting your bike.
Okay, that's fine.
But I need your license. Now, if you don't give me that, or ID or something,
can I show you a picture of it?
you're going to jail.
Can I show you a picture of it?
Whose bike is that?
That's mine.
Is your bike?
Yes, sir.
What's up with it? Hold on a second.
I don't know what happened. I guess I gave it too much gas. And when it gave it too much, it just cut off. I got scared. Say that again?
I almost hit you, but you're braking hard.
No, I don't know what happened.
You know you guys are just going to end up killing yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
On this route, right?
Yes, sir.
You know that, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
guys are doing tricks out here. All it takes is someone to not see you. Like, you're only going to hurt yourselves. There's no point to being out here on the highway riding an ATV. You're going to hurt yourself.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to get off of the highway. I didn't.
It's not that. The whole point is you know what you're doing. You've been known what you're gonna do.
You guys act like it's like we care. We don't.
That's what sucks is when you guys get hurt or when you die because it happens. So we have to go tell your family, well, what happened? Well, he was riding an ATV when he's not supposed to on the highway. How do you think your family would feel? What if your tire popped? What if someone was drunk and didn't see you and hit you?
Yeah, I understand.
It's not worth it.
I had a group yesterday that I gave you guys a chance to get off the highway right behind you guys. And you guys started going reckless.
Yeah, I was.
So then when we don't give you a chance, we're the assholes.
Yeah, as I see, because y'all wasn't hitting the lights, so I was like, all right, let me get off the highway because I know that's what y'all want. So I was trying to get off the highway.
Right, but once the lights go on,
That's when you gotta pull
we
up.
gotta do something.
Yeah,
So that's why my lights weren't on.
I understand.
5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Lift up your shirt. What's that?
Better.
Okay. I'm gonna set you in the back, okay?
All right.
Fuck.
Good evening.
Hey.
License registration?
Yeah.
Kind of poor timing, huh?
Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess.
Yeah. So, a couple of reasons why I'm stopping you is obviously
Yeah, no, I honestly know what I was doing, yeah.
okay. All right.
Can I get off the bike because my registration's in here?
In the compartment?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything in the backpack I should be aware about?
No, you can take a look if you want.
No, I just
Okay.
general question.
Yep.
Get off the bike. It's not usually our standards.
Yeah, no, I know. I watch a lot of like live PD,
Yeah.
so like I was just,
Can't help to ask, are we being videotaped right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough. Appreciate the honesty.
Yeah.
How's your... So listen, I've never dealt with you, and you're being straightforward with me,
Yeah.
so I appreciate all that. I respect honesty.
Yeah, that's.
It seems like you obviously knew what you were doing.
Mhm.
So with that being said,
Drive safe.
It's just here.
I'm pretty sure the train's like turn right up. Otherwise, we can go back up that way and go. Have you guys got a trailer? I do at my house, or Ben's house, but it won't fit all 3 bikes. So, do you guys have motorbike licenses? No. How old are you? Just take helmet off so I can see. And what about you, mate?
16.
15.
16.
Whereabouts are you guys from? You from Mackay?
Ish.
You can do that, but you can't ride them on the road. Yeah. They're not road bikes. You guys can crash or get killed. Yeah. Well, straight away it's your fault. You're not driving a road legal vehicle. These bikes don't have one. Okay. So I'll just grab all your details and then you guys can get off. All right. Should I start? Cool. So have you guys all got driver's licenses? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Because you don't have suitable. I mean, you should be wearing pants, man.
Waiting for the last ride.
Yeah. So that's alright. Maybe your legs, mate.
Yeah.
Almost lost one the other.
Yeah. Well, we lost the motorcyclist the other day, didn't we?
That was terrible.
If you ride them on the street, you're fair game.
Yeah.
I've probably impounded
What about, like up here.
bikes in the river and down at the track and stuff. But getting them there, if you're on the road, you got to be by the book.
Yeah.
So you're either pushing them or you're trailing them.
Yeah.
You can't be hooning around the street, doing wheelies, whatever. Which one you did the wheelie? Yeah. Because now you're going to open yourself up to your bike getting impounded. Yeah. Right. So, 2 options. Alright, you either get all 3 of you either get $400 fines for riding without the appropriate driver's license. That's option 1. Okay. And we'll add on $55 for not producing a driver's license either. And not riding a bike, a motor vehicle with no warrant for this registration, so that's another $300. So that's already $750. Or we all say we've learned a lesson today, and you guys piss off down in the river.
Yeah.
You can ride them, but I'll pretend I didn't see it. Alright? So which one do you want? Option 1 or option 2? Option 2 sounds pretty good, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah. So what's the lesson? I'm not trying to be a dick about it. I'm just saying you will get stopped by other cops who will just smash you with tickets because that's their, you know what KPIs are? The performance indicators. So they have to give out a certain amount of tickets for highway patrol guys, etc. So if I was a highway cop and I was running rolling tickets for the day, I would just fill my boots with all 3 of you. No license, no warrant of fitness, no registration, wrong license, running without appropriate driver's license.
What's your name?
Ben. So how about I follow you? How about I follow you down to the river?
Right. Sounds good.
And that way we formalise the process.